Una crochet again. Una join me lo we cook cassava leaf. Well, we can beat the pepper now, as you can see. And the pepper don't beat. So don't put the oil. So we beat the fish. So the meanwhile, that's gonna a story. University life is not easy. Really easy. At university, they see students they the all money for buy food. Well, the for let them see save the food safe paying for it, they not get it. Let me go back to the food. As you can see, don't put the groundnut in a pot. So the pots they boil now. Put the ogeri. So we can put the kanda and the full foods with the crab. Let them boil together with the groundnut. So with the guys dry, that's what they call them. They mix them. We'll mix them now. The pots they boil, the groundnut don't cook, kanda don't cook, everything don't cook. We'll decide to put the cassava leaf, cover the pots. Get some time let it boil. After some minutes you open and you watch. If the plaster's not burn, then you put the pepper. Put the pepper, let it boil together and cook. So here is the final look. Thank you.